Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to delete Gmail account permanently. So let's start. First of all, open your browser. Once you open your browser, then enter URL www.gmail.com. Then log in into your Gmail account. So enter your username. Then click on next. Then enter your password. Then click on next. So once you log in into a Gmail account, then you can see the interface like this. Now over here on your right hand side top corner, you can see your profile icon. So click on the icon. Once you click on the icon, you can see the pop-up like this. And here is the option, manage your Google account. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, you will be redirected to this page. So on your left hand side, you can see the different options. So here is one option called as data and privacy. So click on the option. So once you click on the option, scroll down. And here you can see the option, delete a Google service. So on this page, you will find two options. One is a delete your Google account and one is a delete a Google service. Both the options are different. When you click on delete a Google service, it means that you want to delete your Gmail account, not Google account. And once you click on the delete your Google account, so it will delete your Google account and Gmail account both. So we want to delete our Gmail account. So click on the option, delete a Google service. So you will be redirected to another page. Over here, you can download your data or backup your data related to your Gmail account. So if you want to download your data, click on the download your data option. So you will again redirected to another page. And over you can see the different types of options or services that you are using. You can select and deselect the services as per your choice. And if you can scroll down, you need to click on the next step. Here is the option send download link via email. Then click on create export. So all data, so your data, your account and your data, export a copy of content in your Google account to backup it with or use it with a service outside of Google. So in this way, over here you can see the option export is in progress. So in this way you can backup your data. Now we want to delete our account. So over here you can see the option delete. So click on the option. Once you click on the delete option, here you can see the message to continue to use your Google account services with this account like Google Play, Docs and Calendar. You will need an address to sign in with. It can't be Gmail address. So enter a different email address. So in my case, I'm entering this email ID. Then click on send verification email. So verify your new Google account email address to remove Gmail. So click on the got it option. Now open your email ID and log into your Yahoo email in my case. So log into your Yahoo Mail account. So once you log into your another email account where Gmail have sent a verification email. So over here you can see Gmail deletion confirmation. So open that email. So once you open that email, over here you can see the link. So click on the link. And here you can see confirm Gmail deletion. So over here you can download your data and here you can see the one checkbox. Yes, I want to delete this email account permanently from my Google account. So select the option and this is the final stage for deletion of Gmail. So over here you can see the option delete Gmail. So click on the option delete Gmail. So in this way we can delete Gmail account permanently. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.